Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 12 best resources for learning how to code. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, these resources will help you master the art of coding. Number 1, Codecademy. Codecademy is an online platform for learning to code that offers courses in multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. With interactive lessons and real-time feedback, Codecademy makes learning to code easy and fun. Number 2, EDX. EDX offers online courses from some of the world's top universities, including Harvard, MIT, and Berkeley, covering a wide range of programming topics. With EDX, you can learn from the best instructors and earn a certificate upon completion of a course. Number 3, Udemy. Udemy is another online platform that offers a vast selection of coding courses, including web development, mobile app development, and game development. With affordable prices and lifetime access to courses, Udemy is a great choice for anyone looking to learn to code. Number 4, Coursera. Coursera is another online learning platform that offers coding courses from top universities and companies, covering everything from beginner-level programming to advanced topics. With Coursera, you can learn at your own pace and earn a certificate upon completion of a course. Number 5, FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is a non-profit organization that offers free coding courses and projects with a focus on web development technologies. With a supportive community and real-world projects, FreeCodeCamp is a great resource for anyone looking to build their coding skills. Number 6, Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers free coding courses in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL, along with other educational resources in various fields. With video tutorials and interactive coding challenges, Khan Academy makes learning to code easy and engaging. Number 7, W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a website that offers tutorials and references for web development languages and technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL. With easy-to-follow examples and quizzes, W3 Schools is a great resource for anyone looking to master web development. Number 8, Code Wars. Code Wars is a coding challenge platform where users can practice their coding skills by solving algorithmic problems in a variety of programming languages. With a competitive environment and a range of challenges, Code Wars is a great way to improve your coding skills. Number 9, Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is a website that provides computer science resources and coding tutorials for beginners and advanced programmers. It offers a wide range of topics, including data structures, algorithms, programming languages, and system design. Geeks for Geeks also provides a platform for users to practice coding problems, participate in coding contests, and showcase their skills to potential employers. Number 10, MIT OpenCourseWare. MIT OpenCourseWare is a collection of free online courses from MIT, including several computer science courses. With access to the same materials as MIT students, MIT OpenCourseWare is a great way to learn from some of the world's top instructors. Number 11, Google Developers. Google Developers offers a range of resources and courses for learning to code, including mobile and web development. With easy-to-follow tutorials and real-world examples, Google Developers is a great resource for anyone looking to master coding. Number 12, YouTube. There are countless free coding tutorials on YouTube covering various programming languages and technologies. With channels like Traversy Media, FreeCodeCamp, and Programming with Mosh, you can learn to code from some of the best instructors in the world. So those are the 12 best resources for learning how to code. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these resources will help you master the art of coding. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more.